Hey, good morning and welcome back to the channel. So guys, if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. Once we're done, any comments, any questions, please drop them in the comment section and let's have a bit of a chat. If you're not on our Discord already, join our Discord. The link is in the description of the video. So yeah, let's get at it. So let's start with the crypto total market cap. Huge God candle of a breakout, with the monthly being bullish. Um, I think at the time we drew this, I was saying this could happen or this could happen. We could have some push down, but I mean, we've been quite accurate with that. I've left it on just for effect. On the monthly now, we are pushing higher, but we need, yeah, we need to keep going. It is month end, so we have had some attempts, haven't we, at sell-offs, and it seems to be being held up quite well. Um, so the monthly is a buy here, the monthly is a buy here on whip trend. The 3 month, monthly, and weekly, they're all a buy on relative price. Our version of relative price, by the way. And yeah, we have the whip trend is bullish, but it looks like she could get a bit toppy there. I'm actually going to delete that one. Um, so yeah, just something we need to keep an eye on there. Um, and on the daily, we have been we had divergence across here, which then brought our little sell off. It's like price is waiting, it's going sideways a bit, waiting for this monthly moving average to catch up. Might have a bit of volatility going into the new month. But then once we hit these moving averages, we could get going again because of the strength over here. So it'll be an interesting to watch where we actually print. Daily, yeah, just lots of divergence across the board, isn't there? There's not enough new buyers entering the space to push price higher, really. And that's obvious because of the total market cap. There's not new money coming in at the moment. So yeah, divergence here need to be careful of. The 2 day and 3 day though still have good strength over there. A couple of days since that printed. But there's still good strength there on the 2 day and 3 day. So yeah, kind of still in this mentality of buy the dips, but the 1 hour, 4 hour, and 8 hour are borderline. And we turned into a sell and a buy. We turned into a buy there on the 4 hour, and that was at what, like 9 o'clock last night. We've had a bit of a move. But yeah, again, coming towards month end, so we just really need to be careful there, guys. Moving on to the blue chips. Excuse me. Yeah, moving on to the blue chips on the daily time frame. The strength is still with XRP, XLM, so XRP blue, XLM, ADA, band is creeping, is traying. ADA, VeChain, and Atom. They are trying, but yeah, nothing until we look like we've turned into a buy on some more. So let's have a look. Yeah, so the strength is there. Rolling into a sell a bit on here on the daily, but this could straighten up. Weekly is still technically bullish. So let's look for who turns into a buy on the daily next. And Bitcoin's doing it. Ethereum's turning into a sell. Litecoin's sell. And BNB's a buy. XRP's a buy, and looks like it might turn into a buy against most other things when people start saying, "Hey, look at this. XRP's gonna have another push." Yeah, and we're making higher highs there as well, aren't we? That's nice. Higher highs, but we've got a lower high here at the moment, unless it keeps going up. So ADA looks like it could start curling. Neo, we don't really want to be jumping into that. VeChain looking tired, but could roll into a buy, a bit like XRP kind of thing. XLM down here is has been held up. So again, there's a few of these that have been held up all these days, haven't they? They've been a sell, but they've been held up, which is really good news. Quant is a sell, mixed bag on band. Link is a bit of a sell. She's tired at the $18 level, isn't she? Solana is a sell at the moment. AVAX is a sell and underperform. Near is turning into a sell and an underperform. Comp and Atom. And then Ave, which we've been watching for the last few days, is now just having a pullback. So dropping down to the 4 hour, we will do 520. Blue chips 4 hour. So let's have a look here. Strength on XRP and band, XLM and ADA. So look at those three pushing there. We've had a huge push on Ave. And we've got some strength now on these coins that we just mentioned there, band, XRP. So yeah, so Bitcoin is bullish against a couple of coins, but then so it's a mixed bag, is that. Ethereum's underperforming. Litecoin is taking a rest by the looks of things, and it's mixed bag. BNB looks like it could turn into a sell. XRP looks good. ADA looks good. So these were both a buy, weren't they? That was a buy at 5 p.m. yesterday. That was a buy at 9 p.m. yesterday. So they're having a bit of a push overnight. Neo's a bit of a sell. VeChain looks like it could go again, but I mean, it might be short-lived because of the daily. Yeah, that looks good. XLM, Quant doesn't. Band looks good. Link doesn't. That doesn't. No, no, no. AVAX could turn into a good buy, and Solana. So that's dropping to the 4 hour there. We've got a few, haven't we, that are looking good. But we'll just have to see how far they can push. Okay, so moving over now to the movers on the daily chart, the movers. So wherever we had strength, we had the Doge, Pepe, and Floki had this huge push. Wherever they pull back to, I expect them to attack those levels again. And they had done and actually went over. Found support there really as Doge. Most strongest recently out of the movers, we can see Dot had this huge push and then she's rolling over again. She's a sell at the moment, but she's being held up. So this might perform a bit like Bitcoin, sorry, a bit like XRP and XLM, where people are buying the dip. So over here with some strength in here, we've got Fetch looking good yesterday, wasn't it? That was yesterday. Fetch was looking good, Render was looking good, Hinge was trying but didn't make any moves. Cass, not really. TAO is one we shouted out yesterday, and Sui looked good yesterday, I think, didn't it? But it's rolled, it's flattened off because it's had a huge push, hasn't it? It's expensive in some people's eyes. People want to take some profits. Polyx sell, mixed bag on GRT, sell on comp. Dot at the moment is a sell. I'm rolling over against those because these are going to outperform on the band, ADA, and XRP. They're going to outperform. On the daily, the dogs, yeah. So Pepe and Floki look like they're going for it. Doge looks like it could round and then go for it. We'll just have to watch those. But Pepe and Floki, if they can continue having a little push and get going, you might see some good moves. And then movers. So we're jumping over now. Okay, so let's have a look at the 4 hour. And yeah, so over here on the 4 hour, we've got Fetch, Render, GRT, TAO. So they were looking good yesterday, weren't they? That was the thing. They were all looking good yesterday, and we've identified that, and they've made some really good moves. And now retail are probably jumping in. So over here on the 4 hour, Fetch is in a pullback. Render looks like she could go again, but yeah, we'll see what happens there. Inge looks good on the 4 hour from 9 p.m. last night. Looks good. Cass, it's a sell, underperform. TAO looks like a buy and overperform. Sui is a sell and underperform. Poly mixed, but yeah, mixed. GRT is turning into a sell, an underperform, sell and underperform on comp. Dot looks like it could roll, but that could straighten up because of the strength on the daily, so keep an eye on that. And then over here, Pepe, Floki, and all the dogs, basically the memes there look good. So something just to keep an eye on. Um, so I think deep dive. Let's have a look at XRP, XLM, and who else? XRP, XLM, and band, wasn't it? So let's jump to the 4 hour. Yep. XRP, band, ADA, XLM. Yeah. So Pepe. Um, Pepe mixed bag. Those three are outperforming, aren't they? That's the thing. Looks good there against most other stuff, but then these are going to outperform. We'll have to see what happens. Need to find some support here and get going again on Pepe. Let's go to Command Z. Sui Tau render was one we were looking at. Over here, let's have a look at you. Surrender, wow, some good strength over there. Surrender looks good, doesn't it? Render looks good there. Apart from this, I think XRP is going to win today. Um, oh no, okay. Bet. Why is it doing that to my charts? Oh, yeah, okay. So fetch just looks like it might roll into a sell there after this big move. Oh wow, it went up to what? 175 overnight. Went to 160 back to the median. She might bounce from here. No sell there. Buy. V reversal buy there. And V reversal potentially buy there. She's got work to do, hasn't she, to get it back up to that $3 level. So yeah, let's go XRP USDT. Beautiful, 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 beautiful XRP today. Nice, nice, nice high push there. Nice high push. Good trying to make a higher push there. Would expect it to come to 156. 160. She's going to make some more highs, isn't she? Woof, woof, woof. Band USDT. So I'll look over here. It's the band. Bum, bum. Going for it. Looking good on the daily. Looking good on the 4 hour and looking good on the 1 hour. It's just a case of she's going to be outperformed by XRP. So even band could outperform most things today. Yes, buy on the weekly, buy on the daily, but looking a bit toppy. Buy on the 4 hour. So we might start getting some divergence here and a pullback going into weekend. And then the movers, who did we identify? So fetch, and we had a look at. So let's have a look at TAO and render and Pepe. So let's have a look at TAO, TAO USDT. Yeah, going for it, going for it. So good over here, good. It needs to be a V reversal here. Looks good here. Let's get into this resistance area, isn't it, Tau? Power candle as well. Yeah, she's looking good, isn't she? 1 hour, 4 hour. She's trying. She's trying. So maybe attack those highs again. That's for sure. Tau. Let's have a look at render. Okay, and then back to you. Render looking good against everything on the 4 hour. So render's another one. That was a beautiful move. Pulled back. Bottom band, buy again. So from 820 to 880, that's a nice move. And who else? There was Pepe, wasn't there? Pepe, USDT. Yeah. Pepe USDT. Yeah, so Pepe looks good against some things there, pulling back, but not against those. Is it? She's going to perform against the other stuff today, but turning it into buy on the daily. So wherever this goes to, I mean, start putting your buy orders in maybe, and then see where we can get going from here. Okay, guys, yeah, kind of a tough one, but I mean, there are some coins there for us to watch. I mean, XRP, TAO, and some of those that I mentioned look really good. So yeah, okay, guys, I'll stop this. I'll release it. Trade safe. Any questions, ask either on here or on the Discord. And yeah, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for listening. See you in the next one.